Your time has come. You're done, you're done, you're done. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Zman G, and I'm back with another vlog. You feel me? I ain't got to say too much, man. We're going to get straight into it. Bangers. All right, Zman G family, man. I'm waiting for these boys to pick me up, but... man, I'm a prank god. You feel me? So, should I prank them? I ain't going to do it today. But if I look at the camera and I wink, just know I'm about to prank them. So, if the title changed from a vlog to a prank, Zakidri, Robert, your time has come. You're done, you're done, you're done. You too, man. I know. I've been on my football stuff in quarantine, but don't get it twisted, man. Oh, snap. I ain't dribbling a long time, so don't beat me. But don't get it twisted, man. These handles are still like that. Oh. The ball slipped. Don't get it twisted up. My handles are like that. Oh. Man, don't get it twisted, man. Man, all I see is some ops, man. All I see is some ops, man. What the? Hold on. Yo, I'm done with these boys, man. First off, it's not that hot. You got shades on. What's up, Rod, man? What's up with the hair, bro?
They only mess with you when they see us some light, but dog, what they ain't gonna chase you when you darker than night. Yo, so sitting connect with you, and I ain't changing with the people who was changing on you. I got my. What the fuck? Bitch, stop calling my phone.
Oh, what is on your head? Oh man. Get a record.
You get tan in there, bitch. Get tan, bitch.
Hey, bro, y'all cussing, bro, on YouTube, bro.
What the fuck you on, bro?
Oh yeah. What's that boy at home, bro?
Hey, what? Bitch, you owe me money. Wait. What's your tank on? Turn it on. It's below half a tank. Oh shit.
Below half a tank. Fill this junk up. What are you doing? Hey, bro, you gonna fill this up, bro?
See, we don't need breakdown downside in the road. We already fell out of the area when we went there yesterday. Damn, but they don't got the kind of one.
Social distancing? What the?
This man's silent.
Oh!
That shit almost whacked this stupid ass.
Yes, sir, Rob.
Clean that window.
I don't even know what you did that for. It really ain't changed nothing, honestly. Like,
I swear to God it did.
on the bottom, it did not change nothing.
Look at his form.
Hey, look at your form. That joint's trash.
That shit not going away.
Bro, that joint must be in the inside.
Turn him. Where the pussy at, Rob? Oh shit.
Oh, 12. Say something, bro.
You know dark skin never fold. That's my shit. Hey.
Say something, bro. She right there.
Hey, yo, ma. Yeah, what you trying to do?
You can't spell quarantine without URQT. I know you want me. I know it. I made the wrong turn. Ended up at the beach. Oh, snap. Oh. Yeah, man, we just played 2-on-2. Bust some boys. What you gotta say? Stop, I'm making copyrighted. No. Come in so I can get the thumbnail, man. Yes, sir, legendary thumbnail. You know me, this is the Zman G family. So, I gotta make a challenge. Last one back like this.
Run.
Oh, they flying on me. I can't lose. Oh, no, we know who lost. That boy lost, man. What did you just say?
I said the birds are fake. They're like cameras for like the CIA or some shit.
Talk about how the earth really look flat though. Like, if y'all want to go there, I could go there, man. All right, so let's see. Like, what you think about it? The earth look flat, don't it?
I mean, yeah, you see that thing out there?
Yeah.
That's a shark,
Oh, snap. Hey, Rob.
Yeah, next bucket. I got his phone with me.
That's okay. Hey, YouTube, what you think about my feet? Oh, these boys think they really putting it nice like that, man. How I feel, man? Feel good? So, what's your body type? What's your archetype? Like, what are your badges?
So I'm a compact build, you know, offensive threat, you know, 92 overall, you know, max out badges, you know what I'm saying? I really do this basketball season, you know,
What's your archetype?
Burly center, 82 overall, like 12 badges. I'm a 99.
Impossible. And what's your archetype?
That shit built.
I'm a 60 overall. Haven't played no games in the court. Brown shirt, sweat, and temperance.
Oh, snap.
What's your build?
I am a new player to the game. I've never actually played. Brown shirt. What is it? Blue jeans?
No,
White shirt?
it's sweats.
Sweats. Brown
2K
shirt.
generics.
Yeah, 2K generics with a little bit of shades on. I only can do this.
Oh shit.
Where'd you get a backpack from?
Yeah, where you got a backpack? You was hacking?
I'm gonna show you what it's like in Florida, man.
You know what I'm
First
saying?
day. First day to the right. My right. No, you think the earth is flat?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get next to this guy. What is your reasoning behind thinking the earth is flat? That's all the proof we need, ladies and gentlemen. The earth is flat. Now I know some people in the comment section are gonna say, Zorian, the earth round. Well, I'm just going based off of what I see right now. You feel me?
I haven't been out of space, and you know, there's a lot of rumors that we haven't even been to space. You know what I'm saying?
Heard about that, though?
I'm looking at this.
Like walking, Mr. Man.
But like, I don't know. You really think we've been to the moon? If we've been to the moon, can we get to other Earths? Like Mars and Venus and shit?
Bro, how we go to the moon, but I haven't been back since? They went one time.
Yeah. But that's my thing, like.
Man, welcome to Florida, man. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna own all these shit one day.
You're gonna own what?
All them shit.
Okay, buddy. Not like that. Dance, new dance. Yeah. Let's kiss, man. I don't even know where it went.
That bitch hit the water?
Okay, I don't even know what that was. You guys both suck. Show me your skip, man. Okay. Okay, you got two.
I gotta find a heavier rock. Here you go.
This is your last chance to redeem yourself. Yeah, you suck. I'm gonna turn the camera off. You got one more chance. Okay, you're dropping the... Y'all know who it is, man. Man, if y'all don't know who this is, man, this is the girl I did the I Like You prank on. But, old dude's out here trying to hit at her. What's going on?
No, that nigga's crazy. he's talking.
Family, and we always doing challenges. They finna race. Ready, set, go.
Run.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, you suck, shit. No, you suck. He suck, bro. He suck. Let's go, man. Guess what you get? You get an iPhone.
Appreciate it.
I was in a deep ass hole.
Let's go, man. Part 2. Ready, set, go.
Run.
Yes, sir, man. Hey, who got that? Oh, you was a tie, so you lost. It's a tie, he lost. Guess what you get? You get another iPhone. You, give me your shorts.
What?
You see how you just curtain like that? Slide in your girl DM. And when I slide in, I'm gonna say, your time has come. You're done, you're done, you're done. Hey, Zman family, we just got played.
What?
We stepped down on some job, and then somebody in the background said they're in 7th grade.
And then they try to get our snap too. Crazy.
And they still try to get our
I
snaps.
should have snapped my phone back, but you know, I can't disrespect women out here.
It's crazy, man. Crazy, man. Hey, 3 extra views though. I'm not mad.
Yeah.
She said, "What's my name?" I said, "Z-Man G." Wow.
Motherfucking. You niggas some lambs up here though.
Let's go Robert's whip because he's legit to me. So that's what I really do. It's your boy Z-Man G. And, you know, I'm signing off with another banger. You feel me?